Guys, check out what we just finished. A beautiful 2017 Bentley V12 with a full Mansouri body kit. Beautiful car. Check it out. I love the BL. That's cool. Flying into the sunset. Look at this beautiful automobile. I love it. You guys will see it better once it's on the ground, but it's got a full body kit on it by Mansouri. If you don't know who that is, check it out. Full carbon fiber. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done. So it's got downpipes on each side, cats up on the manifold. Then it goes 3-inch all the way back true dual. X pipe goes right there. Then it had a Mansouri muffler on it, F1. We took it off. He wanted to straight pipe it. My guy, bring it to us. We'll hook you up. So we did. And it had valves on it, so we cut them away and just put them to the side so the car thinks it's still got them, as you guys can see there and there. And then it's just hidden away. All the piping, everything's hidden away, as you guys can see. Just clean, fully straight pipe now. There's the muffler there. If he ever wants it, we'll put it back on. He's testing it, see how he likes it. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you guys like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Look at the massive tips too, guys. They are massive. All murdered out too, blacked out. Very nice car. I know he's excited to hear it, so we'll see. Stay tuned. Go ahead, bro. There we go. Much better. Isn't that V12? Woo-hoo. What a beast. That sounds good. That's the V12 right there. Yeah. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 105. 106. So we just put it in sport mode, guys. Go ahead. Yeah, it changed it a little bit. What a beast. Here's sound decibels again with sound. Right at 104. Go ahead and back it up. Full Mansouri kit. Just changes the whole look of that car. Wide wheels. Very nice. Look at that color too. It's a nice color. Changes in the, it's like purplish silver. Very nice. I saw him back up a little bit more, but it's give me gas. I want more. Nice car, guys. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Really appreciate you bringing it in, man. Thank you.
I love it. Yeah. I will stop a little bit later. I will do the down pipes.
Yeah, bring it back. Yes. Oh, I will open.
Before and after.
Yeah.
And I will do a tune. So I was gonna be
Yes.
like,
Have the marbles.
Yeah.
What a sexy car, man. It's a beast. V12 raw power. Really, Infinity trying to catch up with a V12. That's hilarious. Yeah, okay, can't even compare, guys. Come on. Anyways, beautiful car.